Welcome to the 2005 Subaru WRX. We got another special video for you guys today. This belongs to my friend Max. We've already featured two of his JDM swap WRXs on here, two bug eyes. This one we got at version 8. This is the blob eye 2005. Really cool. He does all the work himself on all these cars, so they're all custom to him. They feature the EJ207. This one's going to be interesting because it has a twin scroll turbo and equal length headers. So I'm excited to see how this sounds. But as always, beautiful examples. Awesome cars. Super excited to drive this one. They're just so robust. They feel so beefy. Alright, let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick and check that out. Look at that giant hood scoop. It's just massive. Looks crazy while you're driving it. You'll see in a second. Yeah, check it out. EJ207, equal length headers. I just love it. Super clean. Really neat. Really excited to drive this one. Go ahead and show you the interior real quick. Very nice. We got these beautiful bucket seats. STi bucket seats. I love those. Really hold you in. I love the steering wheel here. 3-spoke. He's got the STi genome as well. And then we also have this little roof vent, which I love. He put these in himself. Really cool. Let's go ahead and start her up. Here, I'll show you the key first. Look at that special STi key. Really unique. Alright, go ahead and give you a couple of revs. Wow, that sounds amazing. Not much sounds better than a boxer, that's for sure. Let's go ahead and take it for a quick spin. Let's see how she does. Well, this one has a heavy clutch on her. Right off the bat, I can tell she has plenty of power. Feels pretty smooth going down this nice road. Makes some terrific noises. Got that heavy clutch. Definitely pulls hard. This is the kind of car I would love to have a day with so I could get used to it fully. It is more of a challenge to drive this. Just came from driving my S2000 and it's noticeably more challenging, but also super fun. That drama, turbo drama, man, makes me miss my Evo 10. incredible. Go ahead and put it in 6th gear and see how she cruises along. Around 50, 55 miles an hour. Really nice. Not too shabby. Feels pretty comfortable. This is definitely a car I could see me daily driving, even though it does have a heavy clutch. Around where I live, it's not too much traffic, so it wouldn't be too bad. Pedal position feels really good. The steering feels really nice. Firm, not too heavy. Really responsive vehicle. Bucket seats really hold you in too. Coming from being an Evo guy, well, it was only because I've never driven an STi, but now I can see why everybody loves these. Oh. These cars are really impressive. But this does have the EJ207, so it revs to 8,000 RPMs. All right, let's go ahead and do a little 0 to 60 easy going. No launches or anything like that. Definitely more challenging for me to drive. I would love a little bit more time with this baby. But nevertheless, can't pass up an opportunity like this. It's got to start somewhere, guys. So put it in 4th gear. Does have a titanium exhaust, so I love it. When you're getting on it, it sounds more violent, more aggressive. It's like snapping almost, especially when you have the windows down. Maybe I'll put my earmuffs on, put the windows down, and we'll check out how it sounds. See if we can capture some of that snappy aggressiveness from that exhaust. Damn, that's awesome. Maybe I should have started a video like that. Let's go ahead and see if I can get a couple more pulls in for you guys. This is a terrific driving car. Kudos to Max, of course. He is a Subaru wizard, and we thank him for that. She really gets up to speed quickly. Really aggressive driving car. getting better at heel towing now that I'm getting more used to the car. I'm just in awe with how this car sounds. Also, such a beautiful day in Michigan. I can't get enough of this right now. Unfortunately, our time is limited with this baby, so we're gonna have to go ahead and take her back to the owner, Max, the Subaru Wizard. Huge shout out to him. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.